In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually check for updates in the Brave web browser. Keeping Brave up to date ensures you get the latest security patches, performance improvements, and new features, and the process only takes a minute. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure you have an active internet connection, since Brave needs to reach its update servers. If you usually keep multiple windows open, switch to the one you want to use so you can follow along easily. Next, look to the top right corner of the Brave window for the three-line menu icon. This is often called the Hamburger menu. Click it to open the main menu. If your window is very narrow and you don't immediately see the icon, try maximizing the window so the controls are fully visible. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This opens Brave settings in a new tab, which is where you can control most of the browser's behavior. Don't worry, we're not changing anything complicated here, just heading to the page that handles updates. In the Settings tab, glance at the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled About Brave. It's located near the bottom of that sidebar. Click it. If your sidebar looks condensed or if you don't see it at first, scroll down the list until you reach the bottom section. The About Brave page is specifically designed to show your current version and manage updates. The moment you open About Brave, Brave will automatically check for updates. You'll see a short status message, such as checking for updates. If you're already up to date, the page will say so and display your current version number. If there's an update available, Brave will begin downloading it right away and then apply it. When the update finishes, you'll typically see a button prompting you to relaunch or restart the browser. Before you click that, take a second to save any work in open tabs, just in case. Brave usually restores your previous session after restarting, but it's always smart to protect anything important. After the relaunch, you can return to the same About Brave page to confirm you're on the latest version. If the page says Brave is up to date and shows a recent version number, you're all set. If you encounter an error during the check, verify your internet connection or any firewall settings that might block updates. That's it. You've manually checked for updates in Brave, keeping your browser secure and running smoothly.